Hi, I'm Joel from Williams Food Equipment, here with the Swiss-made Jura E8 super automatic espresso system. Let's see what this thing can do. This machine features 11 preset programs that allow you to enjoy your favorite gourmet coffee drink at the touch of a button. It can produce either a single or a double portion of espresso, coffee, ristretto, hot water, as well as your cappuccinos, your flat whites, latte macchiato, and steamed milk. Let's brew a perfect espresso. And now for a perfectly rich and smooth cappuccino at the touch of a button. Also available is the optional milk chiller to keep your milk perfectly refrigerator cold at all times. And the cup warmer so your cups keep your coffee perfectly servable hot as well. And this is the Jura E8 super automatic espresso system. Till next time, enjoy.